Wow, Mama. My daughter, walking into my house this morning with this look on your face, without even a greeting, means all is not well. What could it be?
It is your useless daughter that is the problem.
Oh, my own Urenna, my daughter.
Yes.
What has she done?
Warn that girl. Warn her because my brother will never marry her. Whatever useless relationship she has with my brother will not work. Tell her I said so.
Mama. And what is happening?
Don't act as if you don't know what the problem is. Is it the first time? Warn her. I will go to any length to make sure my brother does not marry her. Over my dead body, we all become marry your useless daughter. I said so. And if you people make me come back to this house to repeat myself, I will destroy things. Rubbish.
The preparation is going on well. Soon, your new name will be Orina Okoli, Obika's wife.
I like the sound of that. I love you so much, Obi. I can't wait to be your wife, your companion, and the mother of your children.
And I'll be your hero, husband, and the love of your life. I love you so very much, Orina, and I'll never stop loving you.
I love you too.
I have something for you. Let me get it inside.
What is it? Tell me first.
No, it will be a surprise.
Okay, you know I like surprises. All right.
I'll be coming.
Okay.
Nabia.
Obioma, I am not a child. Okay, Nada Nakata, my also, no one even at you. What is the again? You cannot tell me not to consent Obika and Urema's union without giving me a reason. A reason. Huh? You know they love each other. You know, and I know. I can't just stand against that union without having a reason. Yes, I will be seen as an enemy of progress.
I cannot say what I know. I cannot. If a hunter reveals everything he sees in the forest, he might end up revealing the secrets of the spirits. Obika is my brother. And for me to say that he shouldn't marry that girl, he should know that there's a reason and that I have a good reason for it. Because I love him as my brother. I don't expect him to be putting up all this drama.
Adania, you might be right. I don't know. It's what I'm a good man. When I know now. Nabo na do patana, let it be more. Obioma, can you confide in me why Obika should not marry Urema?
Uncle, that girl is not good enough to marry my brother. I cannot say more than that.
Is that the reason? Tell me something. Then we can work together.
Eba. Mara na kuya. Obika. Obika. Obika.
One name, Kedu?
Adebuma. My father said he wants to see you.
Okay, tell him I'll come later in it.
I think it's urgent.
I hope there is no problem.
None that I know of.
One, let's go.
Okay.
Ure, sit down.
Mama, you don't look happy. Again.
Ure, no. Obioma was here today. She warned me to tell you to discontinue your relationship with Obika. That as long as she lives, that marriage will not work.
Mama, no Bioma came here. Ojukwe came here to warn you, my mother, in my house. Onapwala.
Look, warning is an understatement. She threatened with rage in her eyes to do something unimaginable if you do not stay away. That is the truth. Oh, this is serious.
Imaginable things. Give me a hand, so. Does she think that I'm afraid of enemy of progress like her? Hey! Onya, Obioma Pakegum, for daring to come here and warn you. Mama, I'm coming.
Who did not come back here?
Uncle, Ogona said you wanted to see me, and he sounded worried. I hope there is no problem.
Obika, I don't think all is well. That is why I sent for you. I want to know the problem between you and your sister, Obioma.
Problem, quoi?
Yes.
Uncle, I don't think there is problem. But why did you ask?
She was here.
Obioma?
Yes. She was here telling me not to allow you to marry Urenna. Else, dangerous thing will happen. I have never seen Obioma in such a mood before. Talking with anger and assurance that there is impending doom if you marry Urenna.
Well, Uncle, like I said before, there is no problem at all. Just that lately I've been noticing Obioma acting so strange. Uncle, I think I'll just get home and find out what the problem is and I'll sort it out myself.
Please, do. I think that is a problem.
I will, Uncle, and thank you so very much for your concern.
You're welcome.
Obioma! Obioma! Where is she? Obioma, come out there! Come out there and face me!
Why are you shouting like a mad dog? What do you want?
Mo, a mad dog?
Yes.
Obioma, I will pretend I didn't hear that insult. What was the meaning of the drama you came and displayed in my house today?
I came to warn you to stay away from my brother and discontinue whatever relationship you have with him. Because over my dead body will my brother marry a woman like you.
Then get ready to buy.
Greetings, Obika and Ugonna.
Amaka, keki me.
Asimke Kamel. Kamel Abasorogo. Obika Kamel Abasorogo. It is none of your business. What you should be thinking of now is how to save yourself from this pit of death you are about to dig. Nakwegi na abane. Nakwegi.
Amaka,
Ogono.
I will appreciate if you stop beating around the bush. What is it, Ogini?
Obika, do not make the mistake of marrying Urenna because the outcome will be disastrous. You will not be able to withstand it.
Amaka,
Okay.
why do you say he shouldn't marry her?
Ugonna, when a child seeks for what killed his father without being man enough, what killed his father will equally kill him. Yes, Obika, I do not have any bad intention towards you. Eh? I am only protecting your interest. I have only come to warn you.
Get out of here this minute and never in your life stop me again to utter this man of rubbish.
Yeah? Mama bu Amaka, utter rubbish. Hey, there is no problem. You can never know the depth of a river while standing at the river bank. Obika, you see this when you are about to fall. Get ready, oh. Get ready because you will not see any means of drying it when it starts falling. And you will never see anywhere to run into when it starts. Of course, you know, Amaka will never give any helping hand. There will be no space under my roof for you to hide because I warned you. Agua longa agua. And what they say is enough for the wise. I warned you, oh. I warned you. Let's call an amount for it.
Get ready to die. You're nothing but a frustrated, bitter, single woman, like I said before. And there's nothing you do will make me leave him. I will never leave Obika. Shame on you. Oh! Shame, shame, shame on you.
It is you and that useless mother of yours that will end in shame on this matter. You see your witch of a mother, she cannot help you. She cannot help you. I said it.
Nemo. Obioma. You use this gutter you call a mouth to call my own mother a witch.
I don't know what right has that girl to come and tell you what she just told you on the way. I blame Obioma for this. What is all this?
Ugonna, it is strange that my own sister Obioma could go to your father and say such a thing without discussing it with me first. But it's okay. I'll talk to her.
Obioma is taking this whole thing too far.
Only a tree hears that its will be cut down and it stays. An announced impending war does not consume a cripple, Mama.
Young woman, what are you saying?
Warn your daughter. Warn your daughter to stay away from Obika. That marriage will not work. It will not hold. But if it eventually works, nothing good. And I say, nothing good will come out of it.
Again?
Yes, again.
Wait, oh, if I may ask, what right do you have to tell my daughter who to marry? And what will happen if she eventually marries Obika? And what will bring doom if they marry? Zami Otondo, I'm asking you, or is this a conspiracy or a mere jealousy from bitter single girls? That's it, Diboro. Fuchata gini?
When an ant challenges a lion in a battle, you know that ant will never live to tell the story. If you love your daughter, tell her to stay away from Obika. If not, that fire she is igniting will consume you both. I swear by the gods, I, Amaka, have spoken. Hey. Lest I forget, that thing you were asking that you want to know is what I have just told you.
Otondo. This is jealousy. My daughter is more pretty than all of you. Is this not the Otopuru Chapel? That is it.
You think we do not know that your witch of a mother killed her husband? fish can be swimming around all these small boys.
Hey, stop! Ugonna!
Stop this rubbish!
Why are you holding me? Why are you holding me? You came to fight me.
Oh!
Leave me alone. Let me drag her hair.
What is it?
Hey, you know your mind. It's okay.
You came to fight me. Yes. My brother will never marry you.
He is mine. I'll marry him.
Who's yours?
Stop this rubbish!
Who is yours?
Don't worry.
Why are you holding me? Why are you holding me?
Okay, go inside.
Hey!
Go
Brenda!
inside.
You are succeeded today. Tomorrow!
Go inside. Go inside now.
I want to fight her!
No! Go inside.
I was made to understand that your brother's son wants to marry my daughter. I came to know if he is still interested in marrying her or not.
Why you refused me giving you a seat? Adego, I don't understand where you are coming from.
I am confused. Obika's sister, Obioma, came to my house today with her friend, Amaka, telling me to stop my daughter from marrying Obika. They even threatened to do all sorts of things if the marriage goes on. So I am confused. I don't know what is going on.
I understand now. Now I understand. The truth is that there is an issue on ground, which I don't even understand. But I will definitely sort it out. Huh? Forgive those girls. Overlook them. We will get back to you soon. Let me give you some.
Don't worry. I want to take my leave already.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. I'll favor, huh?
It's
a great house for you.
It's all right. Take care of yourself.
What is very going on? What is Obioma up to? What is this girl up to?
Obioma, my sister, you know I love you. And I know you love me too, and you've been supporting whatever that makes me happy. But what is going on now surprises me. I want to ask you a question. Why are you against my union with Urena?
Well, I'm happy you know that I love you. That is why I cannot sit down and watch you walk into a place of destruction and be quiet about it. It is also the same way I cannot tell you why you will not marry that girl, but you will not marry her. Obika, look around you. There are so many beautiful women in this village. Choose. Forget about that Urena, whatever she calls herself.
Obioma, do you know what you are saying? That I, Obika, should leave the woman I love so much and want to marry? Just like that? Without a reason? Biko, be reasonable, Obioma. See, all I want is you to be by my side. Biko.
When I'm talking, you're not listening. It's even at gunpoint, I cannot give my consent. That woman will not be married into this house. How else do you want me to say it? No! Forget about that woman. If she has used witchcraft on you, I would remove that witchcraft from your face.
Obioma, I understand the fact that we are siblings. I know you love me and you want the best for me. But if you cannot tell me what the problem is, then I'll see this as personal. And I won't let you destroy my love life with your personal problem. I will advise you stay away with my affair with Urena.
Urena will never set her foot into this family.
Obioma, do you know that I'm your elder brother and the man of this house? You don't have any right to make decisions before me. You can only do that in your husband's house.
Urena, the woman that will come between my brother and I has not been born.
You are very pretty and so young. Nenu wata na mma.
Mama.
What I'm saying is this. You still have chances for legible suitors if you leave Obika.
Mama. Mama, what are you saying?
The heat is becoming too much and I am no more comfortable. So I suggest you let Obika go. If marrying him will bring us problems.
Mama. Mama. You could leave her that way, you know. Me? Leave Obika. How can you say a thing like this, Mama? If you are not my mother, how can you even think about it?
Because I don't want to lose you. Uren, I don't want to lose you. It's only you alone in my life. This whole thing is becoming too much. I can't take it any longer. Look, the family of these people, they're not doing anything about this. And it's like that on the side of the Obioma and Amaka, your so-called friend.
Wait, excuse me. What do you mean by Amaka is with Obioma?
Yes. Amaka came here immediately you left. You left for Obioma's place. Yes. She came telling me that I should tell you to stay away from Obika if I don't want war or bloodshed.
Gini!
Urena, this is more serious than you think. It is as if we are all alone in this matter. It is as if we are forcing ourselves into the family that do not welcome us. Ah! One man does not marry a wife. It's not done. The worst mistake you will make in your life is to marry into a family you are not welcomed. You will have serious problems. Oh yes. So please, I want you to think about this. Think twice about this.
Mama, please. There is nothing to think about. I love Obika and he loves me too. And there's no human being on earth that will make me not to marry him. And as of that, Amaka onoba.
Bia, Urena.
Obika. Obioma. Both of you have led brothers and children and have lived together from childhood. I wonder where this problem and disunity are coming from. Obioma, you are fighting to protect your brother and the family. And that is good. That is good. But we cannot support you or join you in the fight without knowing the reason we are fighting or what we are fighting for. You have refused to stop. You have also refused to say your reason. I advise you to put a stop to this before this problem tears this peaceful family apart. Both of you are supposed to be united, not in war over something we don't know. Obioma, for the sake of peace, for the interest of peace, let Obika and Urena be. Let them be.
It is not possible. Uncle, if you know what I know, you see my brother. My brother does not know what he's getting into. And I will not sit down and watch him walk into something that will take his life. I will not.
Obioma.
It will not happen.
Obioma, I've tried to reason with you, but you have refused to be reasonable. Let me warn you. If you try anything stupid to stop my relationship with Orena, I'll forget we are blood related. I'll treat you like an enemy.
Okay, it has not gotten to that. Take it easy. On God's day, you have tried. I'll be on my way.
Hey! Uncle, if you know what I know, this conversation, we will not be having it.
Adanai, I beg you,
Thank God I met you here. Because I was coming to your house. So no one gave you the audacity to come to my house and talk rubbish. But I know. You are just jealous. You are jealous of me, Amaka Onoba. Jealousy, jeloma. Opigwe. You are jealous of me, Makagini, because I am prettier. I am better than you. And I have all it takes to attract all the handsome rich men in this village. Ebumi akizogun. Ebumi fe wuneli. Owe na sogi, na chisubui. But let me tell you, I understand your frustration as a loser. But what I do not understand is that it has gone into your head. Amam nepo bagala. That you have gone completely insane. But Biko Amaka, take your madness to another place. Because the next time you put your stupid Onoba into any affair that concerns me and Obika, what I will do to you, Amaka Onoba, what I will do to you, you will not forget it in a hurry.
Hey! Amaka, beautiful someone. It is obvious your height is deceiving you. Urena. Urena. How many times did I call you?
What's my business?
I am glad it is not your business. And it is obvious to me that you have grown weight. You are good. But I will help you break those lumps into pieces. Yes. Amaka will help you do that. Watch me. Watch me do that. I will tell you that Amaka is ever ready for you in this village. I
don't have time for you.
Don't be angry because of what happened. I love Orenda so very much and nothing will change it.
Then what is the problem with your sister? What?
Mama, she has no point. I believe Obioma's behavior is common among some girls. Especially when they are so attached to their brother. They feel that once their brother gets married, that the love, attention, everything will reduce or gone completely.
But that is nonsense. Are you going to remain single forever? Who doesn't know that once a man gets married, he gives all his attention to his family? Yeah?
Mama, Biko, just overlook her ignorance. I assure you that everything has been taken care of.
No problem.
Mama, how about Orena? Is she in?
No, she went out. She went to get leaves for the goods.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll wait.
No problem. I'm sure she must be back. Must be coming back by now.
All right, Mama.
Rulers of our ancestors, I decree by the power vested on me as the Uwada of this family that the marriage plans between Obika and Urena will never work.
Let the ground that they walk on and the air that they breathe walk against them. Fill their marriage plans with chaos and destruction.
Don't blame those old fools. It is Urenna, that girl that has touched me at the wrong spot. What I will do to that girl, I don't mind fighting her even if it costs my life.
Yes! We will not give up. Urenna, we will show Urenna in this village. I, Amaka, will ensure that she must pay. Oya Kugwaya.
She must pay.
Oya Kugwaya.
Let us go.
Are you serious? Obioma has turned against Urenna.
Immediately she heard that you want to marry the boy.
Akokwana. Eh? Yeah. What is the reason?
I have asked her several times. She's not saying anything. It is obvious she has no reason. No reason at all. She's just a witch. It's obvious that she's jealous. She's very jealous.
Yes.
Do you know the one on Amaka means? That stupid Amaka. Oh no, what? And that Amaka has even joined hands in her madness. Can you imagine the stupid Amaka came to my house? Obulu where the came to my house to warn my mother. I never had the guts to warn her.
What? And you kept her quiet?
Kept quiet. Mama, me, as a coward, yeah. I taught her the bitter blessing of her.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I trust them. I trust them. I mean, he gave me now.
Oh my God, I'm tapping and sneaking. Negodi.
Hey, for what?
Don't even try it. How will you leave your Obika for your fellow girl? For what?
My mother said I should leave the marriage because she feared for my safety. Mana, here.
You idiots! Our paths have finally crossed.
And who said I am afraid of an old loser like you?
So you have mind to look at me like this and you think I will not do everything possible to stop you from coming into my house?
Yes, he's the love of my life.
Yes,
not do anything.
Yes, so.
Yes.
He's my love.
You can't become
yes.
Please, who are these people making noise in my
I
ears?
wonder.
I think the breeze is blowing. Is the tree talking? I think I heard something. These rascals that call themselves your friends. You people have mind. Even when I said that Obika will not marry Urenna, you people are still following her around.
Yeah, Obioma, shut up your mouth. Hey. Shut up your mouth and sit on the floor. You're just a jealous and a betrayer of a friend. Thank you. Let me tell you, Urenna will marry Obika, whether you like it or not.
Yes.
As of this fool following her around, you will be crushed by the fear of the justice day. Yeah? Come on. By mistake. Ekumia.
What will you do? Shall we go and come back? Have you forgotten what I did to you?
What did you do?
I'll do it again.
What did you do?
I'll do it again. I'll give you sand, you eat.
Open your mouth here again and address us in that manner.
What will happen? Hey!
You have forgotten what I did to you.
Chima wachu mawanora. Having you in my house today is a surprise because you don't usually visit.
You're right. And the banks in Adara Pisiaka when I'm you are aware that I am the only man in this community that has successfully killed a 47-year-old mother.
It is well.
Among my age mates, I am the richest.
Yes, sir.
And I think it's time I got myself a wife.
Yes.
You want to get married?
Yes.
I want me to go with you.
No. The woman in question that I want to marry happens to be in your family. I am talking about your late brother's daughter, Obioma.
Obioma came.
Oh, God. Oh, the gods of our land.
I believe you've been speaking with her.
Why not? It's our agreement. I told her and she accepted. She's happy.
Are you sure what you're saying?
I am happy. I know, I'm sure.
Chima, we know you. We know your pedigree. We know what you can. You don't need to be telling me you did this, you did that. We know that already. You see, I will discuss it with her. And wait for you to tell us the day you are.
I don't have any problem with that. You know, money is not my problem. This is something that would have been taking place since. She just accepted, and I am ready to do everything the same day.
I am so happy. See, hey, Obika. Don't worry. I will, even with everybody that's supposed to be involved. Don't worry. Are you coming soonest, or when are you?
If you want me come tomorrow, I will call. We are ready. I am ready.
I will talk with her, and we'll wait for you for the day you will tell us you are coming.
There's no problem. This is something that would have been done since. You know, if it's the money, I have the money.
If you are busy, if I we are busy, I'm a good watch. I'm a good watch.
Story to tell you.
I'm all ears.
The time I was young,
Okay.
I was just as pretty as you are. So beautiful. And many men were coming after me for marriage.
The way they are rushing me now.
But I refused. But a certain young man was coming after me seriously. He was not too rich or handsome, but so loving and caring. Many people, including my parents, were against us because there were more richer and presentable suitors coming. But he was the one. But I followed him because he was the one that loved and cared for me so much. Yeah. So, I know what love is. And I advise you to take it easy. Fighting will not do anything better. Inugo, if it is the will of God that you and Obika will live as husband and wife, one day all these problems will be over and two of you will live happily.
Thank you very much, Mama.
You're welcome.
Your story is so touching. Thank you. You're the best mother in the whole world. Obim! Bye, Obim! What do you want? As you can see, I brought delicious meal for my man. So, excuse me.
Excuse me. Did my brother tell you he doesn't eat at home? Or that he's starving?
It's obvious. He doesn't need to complain to me or tell me. Looking at him, he's going to have changed because your bitter soul, your bitter heart will not allow you feed him very well. So please, my love.
Kedu?
I'm fine.
Oh, Mariko. Oh, Mariko.
Ejai, this one you're taking me to another family for introduction. I hope this one works.
Why would it work? No, let me ask you, why would it work? See, let me tell you something. It must work. Let me tell you, all those ones that failed, you know, it wasn't my fault. I tried my possible best, but it failed. You know, girls of these days, I don't know what they are looking up to in a man. You see? So I don't know. This one, it will work. It will work. Yeah? So let me tell you, the gods of this land scattered all those ones because they have been preparing this particular girl for me. I believe this girl now is the woman after my heart. She is my choice. She is my everything. That is why the gods of this land reserved her and scattered all those ones. If I marry this one now, I will not tell you about marriage again. Immediately. Oh my God. Wait, where are you going to? Are you the one taking me to my would-be in-law? Or am I the one taking you to? Never, I see your job. You will not talk if you get to that place, so I'll be the one talking.
For you, your favorite. Now, Aquatamaka will say the name.
My favorite.
For you.
Hey, Obi.
And your stupid sister here will not allow me to come inside and give you the food.
It is your mother and your entire family that are stupid. Obika, you are not going to eat that food. You will not eat that food.
Obioma.
What is Obioma?
This food is for me. And my woman prepared it for me.
Who is
you are
your woman?
asking me not to eat it?
Who is your woman?
He's going to eat it. Whether I like it or not, he's going to eat it.
My brother will not eat it.
I know, we're almost close.
Hey.
Hey!
Yeah.
She looks like the woman I'm going to marry. That's why I want to confirm. So that it will be funny for me to tell my in-law that the woman I wanted to marry walked past us without me recognizing her. Now, this way.
Leave me alone! Leave me! This is what she did to my food.
You are mad!
This is what she did
You are
to my
very mad!
Obioma!
Yes!
You are mad! You are very mad!
Hey!
Obioma! You are mad! No, leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Why are you holding me? This is what she did to my food. Eh? Do you know what it took me to prepare this food for you? And you are holding me.
Urim.
Come out here! Oh. Come out here! Come out here! Come out here!
Urim, Biko, stop! I'm sorry. I see this as a major loss from my sister. Biko, please. Urim, you have to go and calm yourself. I'll come later and see you, please. I'm sorry.
Don't worry. I will meet you. Look at what she did to what she did to
Now. My name is Chima, the only son of Honora Nwachuma. I am a hunter, the only hunter in this community that has successfully killed a 47-year-old mother.
Big one.
Yes. We are here to see your sister, Obioma.
Obioma?
Yes.
Sorry, what is your name?
My name is Chima, the only son of Honor and Wachoma.
The hunter.
The hunter.
Chima, please, is my sister aware that you are here?
Why not? She's away.
And what is your mission, if I may ask?
I said that this boy is as wise as his late father. My brother, you know you are a young man like us. And I don't see any reason using idioms or parables to explain why we are here. The truth is that I want to marry your sister, Obioma.
You want to marry Obioma?
Exactly.
Okay, Chima. Let me go and get her.
Thank you very much.
Nabia.
That's the problem.
Obioma! Chima.
Oh.
Are you sure my sister Obioma is aware that you are here?
Why not? She is aware. I told her and she accepted. Is there any problem?
Obioma said she wasn't expecting you, that she doesn't want to see you.
I told you.
I hope she's fine.
I would advise you talk to my sister some other time and have an agreement with her before coming back. Yes.
Okay.
Have you seen? Have you seen? I told you this.
No, Nyachi. Okay. My will-be-in-law.
Chima.
There is no problem. Thank you. Greet her for me. All right.
I'm going to get
a lot.
With you, I can see you. I take it easy now. Why are you running? Eh? What is your problem?
Bashima, let this be the first and last time you ask me to accompany you to your in-laws place that you want to get married again. Don't try it again.
Wait. You will now talk to me in this manner because your own marriage was successful.
Don't you see the kind of insult you got there?
What do you mean by insult? See, let me tell you something. Any marriage, any girl that you end up getting married to without being insulted is not your wife. Wait, because the one was successful, that is why you're talking to me. Let me tell you something. I can never be tired. It is not possible. But I am suspecting Mazude. That man has never been happy with anything that has to do with me. I am suspecting that he is using his automoto to confuse all those girls I am dealing with all this while. But relax. I will surprise him. If young girls didn't work out, I will consider a widow.
Until you end up testing, trying the whole girls in this village before you now settle down.
There's no harm in trying.
No harm in trying.
If at the end one do work, if you do work out, I will try widow. That one will be easy.
Hey.
If all the girls didn't work, widow. I will consider widow. That one will be easy.
It has now gotten to the point where Obika now rejects my food and Urena brings him food to the house. Yeah? I'm telling you that Urena brings food for Obika in your house. And you kept her quiet. I showed her the thing. I destroyed the food. I made sure in her life she never bring her food. Now someone came for you. Can you imagine? There's nothing somebody will not say in this village. Nothing.
My dear, allow the dead to bury themselves. And as for Urena, hey, you have to do everything to make sure she does not enter your house. Stop her from bringing food for your brother. to cook for your brother.
Urena cannot enter this house.
Am
I not the one that has been cooking for my brother since my parents died?
I wonder.
Am I not the one that took care of him to this point? Hey! You know?
Where is your sister?
Oh, she's not around. She went to the market.
Now you listen to me. Warn that useless sister of yours to stay away from anything that concerns my family. I do not know her. I am not related to her, other than being from the same village. You hear me? The next time she makes me come here to complain,
what's going on?
You ask her. Is she not your sister?
Obioma! Obioma!
Can you imagine that dirty Ojako? That Ojako dirty thing. Saying he's coming to ask for my hand in marriage.
Forget about the issue.
Yeah. Can you imagine?
Forget about the issue of Ojako. Urena, my happiness is that Onyala Obioma is standing there. Okay. Yes.
Tell me the man in his right sense that will stand behind her. She's just being wicked.
That is her business. More cholia. I am going to be Obika's wife. Nobody can change that.
Damn.
Obioma's madness. She's not going to stop the date for your marriage rights.
Well, the date was shifted a bit because of Mama.
But Obioma Ligoda Mosu, the marriage must hold.
Yes.
Yes.
Nobody can stop the sun from shining. Obioka like him.
I say
What were you saying about that? I've told her to forget about that.
Obika, I want us to talk.
About what?
About us.
I'm listening.
Obika, so it has gotten to the point where you now reject my food.
Yeah. If it's that's why you are here, I'm not in the mood for that talk.
We will have that talk here and now. So, she now makes you believe that I hate you. Eh? Or she has used her witchcraft to turn you against me.
Obioma, if you call her names again, I'll beat the daylight out of you.
Yeah, you better beat me. You better beat me. Did I lie? Is she not a witch? She is a witch. I know her better than you. You are my brother and she is my friend. And I am telling you that that girl is not good enough for you.
Obioma, you are pushing me. Save up, bro. Are you still standing?
She's a witch.
Who is here? Where is Obioma Nyala? Obioma, come out here. I'm waiting for you. Mad woman. Obioma, I came to warn you never to step your dirty legs into my father's compound again.
And what gives you the right to walk into my compound and raise your voice?
Obioma, I am not Urena. I am not Urena, okay?
If I see you in my father's compound again to warn my father, I will strangle you to death.
Okay. I can't wait to see the difference between you and Urena. Leave my compound.
Obioma, don't you ever come to my house again. Don't ever try that again. Nonsense.
I want to see the difference between you and Urena. What is the meaning of this nonsense?
Try the difference, man.
You are still talking. Bring it. You are still talking. You want to see the remove it. Oh yeah. For what? I won't try it. I will not try it. What's the meaning of this? She will not try it. She will not try it.
There is fire on the mountain, my friend.
Fire on the mountain, whatever.
Obioma and her group. Let me keep. And beat her up mercilessly.
Nobody.
Hey, if you see Ginika, your friend. Hey.
Hey,
don't kill.
Obika! Obika!
Bafo.
Obika,
Ogini.
if you see what your sister and her group did to Ginika, you will pity her.
What did they do?
They were busy beating Ginika. Obika, you know you are a man. You have to caution her. It's getting out of hand.
Obioma.
Yes, Obioma and her group. Obika, I have to start leaving before she comes here and beats me too.
Please do something.
Obioma.
Obioma, how could you do a thing like that to your fellow woman? Why?
What did I do to her? Because I cannot remember touching her.
Obioma, since when did you become this heartless? Since when?
Since you chose the word of an outsider over mine. Since you started treating me like an enemy. You see that girl? She's very lucky. Next time she tries me, she will not live to tell the story.
Obioma, do you know you're a woman? Be careful. Because all this you are doing will profit you nothing. Don't. Obioma, you walk out of me. Obioma. Obioma. This has gone too far. And I and my kinsmen will not take it lightly anymore. You have refused to tell me why you stand against your brother's marriage. Then hold your peace. Hold your peace. The next time we hear that you fought Urena or any of your friends attacked her, you, that person or persons, the music will be playing. Get out.
I have said it. No one dares me or go. Not even me. I have said it. That marriage will not work. And it will never work. And even if it works, Urena will never find peace in my home. Never.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you. Like I was saying, every problem we had is solved. Obioma and Obika have settled. So we are coming into market days to perform Urena's marriage rites.
I am so happy to hear this.
Thank you.
You're welcome. She's not around now. When she comes back, I will let her know. Yeah. And I will get news across my husband's kinsmen.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
No.
It's all right. I will take my leave now.
It's all right. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Make sure you do, eh? Okay. Oh.
Urena.
Mama, Urena. Like nobody's in. Where could they have gone? Hey, Mama. One day, Yes, yes, Mama. Mama, this was you and Urena left the house.
I went to Mazi Ozo's house to tell him that Obika and Obioma have settled their issues against my daughter. And they said that they are coming for the marriage rights. So I went to tell Mazi Ozo to inform the kinsmen.
Hey, may the gods be praised for this. So finally now, everything has been sorted. Wow.
Settled.
Mama, so where is Urena?
I should be asking you. Is she not your friend?
Jeez. Oh, okay. Maybe she will be at Guinea Cow's house. Let me check her there. Mama, I'm happy for this good news.
Don't worry, one day I will celebrate you.
Thank you, Mama. All right.
When you look into my eyes, what do you see?
I see love. Love. Guess what?
What?
I have a surprise for you. Just guess.
My love, you know I'm not good at guessing. Just tell me what it is.
I'll be coming to your place to pay your bride price the next 2 markets days.
Please say it again.
I'll be coming with my people to your place to pay your bride price the next 2 markets days. And you'll be called Obika's wife.
Really?
I read that the prince and the king are all going to be there.
Yes.
You have to trust me. I'll just position my waist in front of the prince. I'll be shaking it. I'll be shaking it. He must choose me. He must choose me. He must choose me. He must choose me.
I will come and show your own. I have ways. I will surprise you. Shake it. Let's see. Let's see.
The prince is going to see you. Don't worry. He will see you first.
Not my ways.
I cannot wait.
I cannot wait for that. This is my complexion. Don't forget about the dance. My complexion. When the prince will see this. Shake it. There's this new dance step I've been practicing.
Tell us.
Don't worry, it's a secret. Don't worry. It's a secret. Secret dance.
Just some more. Don't be stingy. Yes. Yes. I told you.
I don't see now. Hey!
I told you I can carry you from Woodforge to your house.
Hey!
See? I'm strong.
You know what?
I'm strong.
Come, let me carry you and take you back to body. If you climb on top of me, let me just die.
You think? One position where?
Because you don't do this.
I cannot remember offending her or fighting with her. All of a sudden, she started attacking, fighting with her husband.
Solve whatever that is the problem. So you can be in contact. Especially now you're about to marry into the family.
No, this one will be enough. It's just introduction. This one will be enough. Don't worry. She's done with my makeup.
Hey!
So how do I?
Ogini Difa! Ogini Difa!
You think you have succeeded, but you lie. Is it not this house? Is it not this same house you come into? Come in and let me see if you find peace for a second. Come in and let me see if you find peace for a moment. The problem, that's what you will attend it.
Oh, Rema, you look so beautiful.
Thank you.
She needs to be beautiful. Today is her day.
Of
course.
Hey, who get up, madam? Who get left? Who get left? Let's get left. Who get left? Hey!
Day.
No.
It's my day.
No, you look so beautiful.
Thank you, Mama.
Wonderful. The gods are great. No, you didn't put your beads.
That's true. Yes, I asked Mbafo to do a special bead for a special day. Yeah, so let me hurry to her house.
Ude mmadụ ede n'obi jika ude nwa m na-ede ude mmadụ ede lili ude mmadụ ede n'obi jika emebuke mmadụ ede n'obi jika obi nwa m ebuke nwa m na-ede ude obi jika emebuke ude mmadụ ede lili ude mmadụ ede nwa m jika ede n'obi ede lili obi nwa m. Uncle? Uncle, you're here. Yes, so. Yes, so. Uncle, how about Uncle Uche? We went to see Ude the Pine Wine Tapa for the wine for the occasion. Uncle, let me get you something. No, don't bother yourself. Don't bother. What of your sister? She's still preparing. Gods of our land, I thank you. I thank you for keeping me alive to witness the marriage of my nephew, Obika. Gods of our land, thank you. It's all right, it's all right. Just go and make sure that sister and you prepare yourself. Uncle, I'm prepared. He will soon be here.
Let me go and check on Obioma. I'm coming.
Okay. Ude manede lobi dika, obi nwa mebuke, ude gi edevezini. Ibe mma na-eme lobi dika, enu ebuke, ụwa ganyi na-eme. Ude mma edelili.
Be fast. Hey, we don't have time. Be fast. Don't worry. Stay and help Mama. Please come back quick.
I didn't even tell. I didn't hear that you are the one making her special payments.
My friend, I'm so sorry I didn't tell you. I've been busy inside doing some things. I would have loved to go, but as you can see, I'm busy inside. But later, come and tell me what happened there.
I said, come and tell you what happened. Are you not the one decorating her with special beauty, you know? So, I don't think I can go. You are going now.
Okay, let me go and continue with what I'm doing.
May the gods of our land be praised. I told you. I told you. When she made her demand, she thought I would not meet up. And I finally met up and win her love.
She accepted.
Why not if not? Of course, yes. I told you.
But Chima, beware.
It is not good for a man to marry a woman he loves the most. Make sure you know what you're doing. Okay. Wait. Let me ask. This thing you're saying, or this thing you just said, who will I put it? Is it under suggestion or under advice? Which one? Chairman.
The gods of our land, may you be praised.
Please, we have sex. Make yourself comfortable. None. Thank you. You might be wondering why we are here, but there's no need running around the tree. I don't know if this is a gamble. It's
okay, please. There is no need running around. Just break it.
No. My son, saw a flower, a beautiful flower in this family. And he wants to pluck it and plant it in his own house. So we came to let you, the owners of the flower, know of his intention.
I'm still talking about flower. You're still talking in riddle. So what we need is just go straight to the point because we have too much of flowers here. So tell us the flower you are here.
We came for your daughter, Urenda.
Yes.
Urenda. Thank you very much. You know, our people have this adage. When the girl child is growing, people will be asking this question. Who is the father? And when she has grown to become an adult, the question will change. Who is the husband?
Exactly.
It's a very good thing when that sort of question is being asked. But unu mano na ija unu biara. You don't look relaxed. What is it?
My daughter went to collect her bid since morning. Till now I have not seen her.
Where did she go to collect it?
At my first house.
You should have sent one of her friends to go and call her.
I've done that. Mbofo said she has not seen her.
Mama, what do we do now? Ichiboko is calling you to bring her out.
God suffer our lives. That is my daughter. Where is she?
Where is she now?
It's all right.
It's shameful.
It's all right.
It's shameful.
It's all right. So, we have to go out and tell you.
So they have to be patient with us, you understand? And I will tell them that we have to continue to I got why you then. We call her so that she will detect who, if she is aware of their movement or not. Obviously. Yes. Let's see what's happening. Hey. My in-laws, please. Our daughter, we're in, but she will have those please be patient with us. We can continue with what we're doing. Obika. Mama, I don't understand this. Where could she have gone to?
As we were preparing, she remembered that Abid was telling with her powerful. She rushed her to get it. Since then till now, we've not seen her.
First house.
Yes.
Mama, Chele, let me go there and check for her.
No, you don't have to. Her friends have gone there. But Mwafa said she did not come to my house.
She didn't go there?
That's what Mwafa said. I don't want to think that something has happened to her.
Mama, what is going on? Where could she have gone to? I hope she's fine. I hope nothing happens to her, Mama.
But that is the possible explanation to anything like this.
Mama, she'll come back. I know Maureen now will come back. She can't leave, Mama. Mama Chile, Nabia, I'm coming.
Obika, exercise patience. Let me calm. She'll be here soon.
You're asking me to be calm? Which man in my condition will be calm in a situation like this now?
It's okay, just take it. Nothing has happened. Okay? Well. Our would-be in-laws, we've heard what happened. We understood it. Anything that is the problem needs to be followed up immediately. Yes. Oh, it is too late. Yes, it is too late. I am saying we are going, and we have to go with whatever we come. We'll come back, we'll come back when everything is solved. Huh? Everything is solved, we'll come back. Listen to me. Crying cannot solve the problem. Yes. What we need to do now is just to go and search for her. You understand? So stop crying.
Let me take it easy.
It's alright.
We will get to the root of this matter.
Yeah.
Eh?
We'll go and search for her.
Just relax.
Shocking me to my bones.
He said she left since morning.
Hey! Whatever would have stopped Urena from coming out today is definitely something that is stronger than her. It's very strong.
Stronger than her indeed. Eh? Maybe the gods are punishing her for her evil deeds. Yes. Maybe they're punishing her.
Amaka.
Eh?
Are you sure you don't have a hand in this?
Look at me. Show me, Amaka, have hand in her disappearance. Yeah, Ubioma, I should be asking you that question. Are you sure you are not the one that kidnapped her? Tell me now. There is nobody here. If you have any hand in this, tell me. Open up to me. I am your friend.
I do not have a hand in it. I'm just saying, because now that she has disappeared, the whole village will be suspecting us because we are the ones quarreling with her.
The us. Who is the us? Us. No. You. You are the prime suspect. The whole villagers will be suspecting you. We are only supporting you. We are behind you. Or same us. If you are mentioning, please mention you. Don't mention us. Don't join us together. Tell me the truth, oh. I can help you. Let's look for solution now. You are my friend. Ha. Hey! Ha. Hey! Very serious. No more. Ada? Is she still there?
Sorry to rush to you like this. It's just that I'm so worried. I'm worried about Urena. But please tell me anything you know about her disappearance, please.
My friends came here to ask me about it. And I told them that I've not seen her. Even the bill they look for her is still with me. I don't know anything about her.
Okay. Biko, if you hear anything, don't hesitate to reach me. Inoko?
I will.
Please, Biko. Thank you.
plotters! I can see you're planning another one. Obioma, I know you hate Urena. And I've planned to eliminate her. But you see this war you started, it will consume you. Obioma, free Urena. Free her anywhere you've kept her. Free her, Obioma.
What nonsense have you come here to tell me? How can you walk into my compound and accuse me of something I do not have a hand in?
Obioma, stop that cheap lie. Stop it there. You think I don't know you? It's Ginika you're talking to. I know you very well. You are a wicked witch. I know what you can do. Free Urena. Free her. Else
what will happen? Ginika, I'm asking you. Else what will happen? Ginika, eh? You can use in Irarusi. I know if you forgot.
Yes, I will show you people what Ginika can do. I will deal with you too brutally. Are you hearing me?
I'm not here.
Obioma, free Urena.
All these things that you are doing, I can see through you. You think I don't know that you have eyes for my brother?
Are you serious?
You see, you call yourself friends, but you gang up and you kidnap your friend because you know that people would accuse me of being the one. I know your plans. It will not work. My advice for you, go and free your friend.
Free your friend!
Go if you like,
look at them.
Free her. If you like, don't free her.
Obioma, save yourself this life. Save yourself this cover-up. You girls are so jobless. How can you kidnap her because of she refused your brother, Obioma? Free Urena.
My dear.
There is nothing somebody will not see.
I'm telling you.
There is nothing somebody will
Hey! I want to kidnap her. Friends. They are friends.
Urena! Urena! Urena!
Till now, what happened today looks like a dream to me. I have never seen such before.
Uncle, it's obvious that something bad happened to Rena. But the question is, who could be responsible?
But, considering the recent happenings between Obioma and Urena, any right-thinking person will suspect Obioma. I didn't say that. I am coming. I will see you.
My daughter, Urena, where are you? Hey, hey, hey. My daughter, my daughter. Hey. My daughter, where is Urena? Oh, what of for enemy? My only eye. Urena.
I know how worried and confused you are right now, but please, you have to take it easy.
I should take it easy. Tell me how.
Mama, you have to try. Because you'll do yourself more harm.
How can things be okay with me when I've lost all I have?
May the gods forbid. Mama, I know things are not well right now, but I believe that Urema is fine wherever she is. Just that her enemy do not want her to live with Obika, but they have failed.
Obika, any news?
No, Mama.
Hey!
Hey! Efukwano.
Mama, please take it easy.
Cause of our land, where are you?
Take it easy. Calm down.
Where are you? Hey! Where is my daughter?
Mama, please just have to take it easy. I have this feeling that Urena is fine.
Yes, Mama. She's fine.
She's fine. Where is she? No, where is she?
Yeah.
I want to see my daughter. I want to see my daughter.
You see her. Calm down.
I want to see my daughter.
Mama.
I want to see my daughter.
Mama, please take it easy. I promise you that I will do anything within my power to make sure the truth unveils. Just take it easy, Mama. She is fine. I believe she's fine, Mama.
What is it?
What did you do to Urena? Answer me!
What did I do to her? I don't know what you're talking about.
You think I'm joking with you?
You're hurting me.
Tell me whatever you know about her disappearance. Tell me.
I don't know. I swear by the gods.
I will destroy you the same way you destroyed my happiness.
Amaka, when a handshake passes the elbow, it becomes either a hug or a wrestle, but this one is becoming a war. The issue of you girls seriously kicking against Obika's and Urena's union is getting out of hand. It is about bringing an unimaginable war. That is why I support you. To tell me the reason you people have, since your friend Obioma has refused to tell me. Is there anything you people don't want to talk on? Is there anything you are hiding from us? Please tell me now.
Nanya Dalupao, greetings to you.
Welcome.
Nanya Biko. Obika wants to marry Urena. Urena is Obioma's friend, and Obioma is Obika's younger sister. Obioma is not happy about the marriage between Obika and Urena. Nani, please, in this analysis now that I've just explained, is there anywhere they mentioned Amaka? Omero, my name is not in this thing that I just explained now. So how will Amaka be the one to explain what is going on? Eh? If anybody should explain anything, it should be Obioma. Let Obioma speak. I am not in the right place to explain this thing. Oh. I am not. Eh? Am I the one marrying Urena? No. Is she coming into my family? No. Is my brother marrying Urena? No. So Obioma should be the one to explain. What the hell about Sarah Amaka? Amaka knows nothing about this. Because that is why you stood me under this rain. Me and Mama, I am innocent. I don't know anything about it. You are my body.
Sorry about that. Okay. Hi. It's all right. It's all right. Hi. It's all right. It's all right.
You know that you are my brother. And you are the only brother that I have. If there's any way that I have offended you in this life, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. But you see, the disappearance of Urena, I don't have a hand in it. Yes, I don't want you to marry her, but I do not have a hand in her disappearance.
Obioma, I'm not in the mood for that talk.
Me, I'm just saying it because that Urena is not even a girl that is worth this thing. There's no man in this village should even marry that kind of girl.
Why?
Because she's my friend and I know her better than you. Because she told me in confidence that she has slept with all the men in this village. She used her seduction powers to charm them and sleep with them, and nobody can even talk about it. Is that the kind of girl you want to go and marry?
Obioma, you are a liar. You are a liar! Oh. Shame on you! You think lying about Orina will make me to leave her? You fell. Now let me tell you. You better release her for where you kept Orina, else you face me by tomorrow.
Yay.
Simepo!
Who is here? Who is here?
Ike, what are you doing here?
Mazozo wants to see you and your friends by this time tomorrow.
I hope there's no problem.
I don't know.
Someone is after you.
We have been summoned by the elders concerning Urena's disappearance. And I'm scared, I'm worried.
And so why are you worried? Or responsible for her disappearance?
I am not responsible. I'm just saying that. Of course I'm not. I don't have a hand in it.
Then if there's someone else, we answer them. There's nothing to it. After all, a clear conscience fears no accusation.
Right? Yes. Let me quickly go and tell Amaka. I just came to say that I should come and tell you. All right. Amaka. Amaka, I was actually on my way to your house.
Yeah. I hope there is no problem.
We have been summoned tomorrow, and it's about the disappearance of Urenna. And I'm so scared.
There's no problem now. They've summoned us. There's no problem. Tomorrow we'll go and answer them. Is that why you came on that rain? Why are you behaving strange? I hope you don't have a hand in this thing, oh.
How can you even say that?
You're behaving strange, that's why I'm asking. If you have, tell me. I am your friend. You can confide in me now.
Just stop it. Stop it. I don't have a hand in it, and you of all people should know that. Well, I'll see you tomorrow. Obika, you, my brother, threatened to deal with me, to humiliate me because of a total stranger, and you carried out your threats. Huh. So, what happens now? You think that I'm going to cry and beg you? You lie! Is this not your worst? Have you not done it? Obika, you do not know me. You do not know me. You will see a side of me that you never knew existed. You want to know what wickedness is? I will show you. I will show you, and that useless girl you call Urenna, whatever she calls herself. You see this drum of war you just beat? Be ready for it.
Obioma, be careful of what you ask for, because you may not be alive to face it.
Will someone, all of you here, tell us the truth? What you know about the disappearance of Urenna?
Iche, why are you calling my name? Was I not at Urenna's house the day she got missing? How am I suddenly the one you are accusing? Am I the only one? Liar! Liar! Obioma, you think I don't know you're the one that planned this whole thing? Earlier on before that day? Yes. If you go this way. Look at this useless monkey. If you don't shut up. No. They are loud.
Hold your words, guess. We are not here for that rubbish. Open my hand, friends. Answer us.
Ichiabala, what do you want us to say again?
The truth.
Yes, truth. We have already told you that we don't know anything about her disappearance. Or do you want us to say yes to a crime we did not commit?
And you want us to believe you just like that?
Yes, we are innocent. By any hand, what did
Okay, now. Listen.
If you people do not believe us, then it's better you tell us what you want us to do. We are ready to do it. People are innocent. Yes, we are innocent.
Yeah. We are going to leave them today. Let them go home and produce the truth in 3 days' time. If we don't hear from you, then you will swear before the oracle of this community to prove your innocence.
No. Stop it! Silence! Silence! You have the gut to touch me. You touched me and to fight me for us. And then you are here. You are here watching. Nana!
Lie down! They must send you to check on the mantle.
Lie.
Look at that. Lie down!
Many unbelievable things are happening these days. How can Obioma and her friends be this heartless? Going to the extent of kidnapping Urenna just to ensure that Obika did not marry her.
Are you sure they did that? What do you think? Who do you think is responsible for this? They are the ones going around the whole village, threatening to do something terrible if Urenna marries Obika.
Don't you think that someone that is not happy with their progress may be taking advantage of their situation?
No. You see, those 3 witches, no one is trying to take advantage of the situation. You see, Amaka,
Ada and Obioma, they are responsible for kidnapping Urena, and I can't wait to use this my 2 eyes and watch them suffer for their evil deeds.
They will suffer the pain of humiliation until they confess, and they will face the punishment of kidnapping a fellow maiden.
This is just the beginning. Fire from Mwanya. Bitter days will come upon them. Good one. They've not seen anything.
They've not at all.
Can you imagine?
Those girls are very wicked. Hey! They've not seen it. That one is just...
Let's go and see Rena's mother. Let's go and comfort her. This wickedness to punish me for something that I am not guilty of. What kind of wickedness is this? Sorry.
How long is it going to take me to sit down? For something that we did not do, now the whole community is looking at us as wicked girls and inhuman.
It's like they even flogged you more. I was just picking you when they were flogging you. To see the way this one was crying.
It's not a laughing matter. It's not a laughing matter.
It will not be well with anybody that has a hand in this thing. Me, that this kid now that they flogged me like this, they will flog all your generation. The way they flog Ada, they will flog your mother. The way Ada was crying, your mother will cry like that. It's very bad. It's very, very bad, oh. But you will die young. All your family people will die young. Everybody will get missing. It will not be well with you. Try it.
I have mark in my back.
3 days. 3 days. We'll be facing the dreadful oracle in this community.
This cane that they have just flogged you, is it not more than the oracle you are going to face? Me, I don't have a hand in it. It's better we go and face the oracle than to receive another beating.
After taking the oath, what will happen next?
The oracle is dreadful. But it's of justice. Eh?
In fact, it's better we go there and prove our innocence, rather than receiving this kind of punishment for something we did not even do.
Hand in it.
So we go and prove our innocence.
Exactly.
Then.
We don't have a hand in it. It's pointless. Go and let us go.
I beg. Wait.
I am doing this to protect Ifra. Yes, if that marriage works, that family will not only experience childlessness, but they will experience pain, sorrow, and agony. That I don't want for my boyfriend. So please, you have to do this for me. Yeah, Melomia.
You want her dead?
Dead? No, I don't want her dead. Don't kill her. I want you from tomorrow. Keep an eye on her. Sanya Miri. If you see any opportunity, grab her. Yotago.
Okay. I'll do as you say.
Please, take her to a very far place where nobody will see her, where nobody will even trace her. I want her out of the way. I don't want her near. I don't want her name mentioned again in this community. You know, Wagi, Sanya Miri. And another thing, do not leave any trace. So let them not catch you. I'm not going to be on your own.
I will do it. Okay.
Wagawa.
I see.
Hey.
gave her a help to make her sleep for a very long time. And I took her to a very far kingdom where nobody can see her or help her.
Hey! Nah, you are the next Igwe of this community. You are the bravest. I am happy.
Good
You can go.
with you. Good do business with you. We never met.
We never met though. Do I know you? Because I'm not one year. I think we never met. Urenna. Urenna. You dared me. Let me see you marry. I warned your mother. I told her that when an ant engages an elephant or a lion in a battle, that ant will never live to tell the story. Inwara Amaka. Inwagonum. Let's see who will laugh last. They are fools.
Hey!
I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Hey!
I did it for you.
Nah, that thing. You did it for who? Look at now. She's trying to put it on top of my head. So why would you say it's a lie? Pinch me. Hey! Kaki Benerizi, ndi was nakwa. Eh? I'll pinch you. Pinch me. Pinch you. Screw up. Amaka! Hey! You are a monk. Hey. How could you? Look at this girl.
I was just trying to protect our friendship. I was trying to teach them a lesson that we are tougher.
You have taught yourself that lesson.
Hey.
Look at her. Teach them a lesson. How could you? Eh? When you even saw that this whole thing was becoming like this, why didn't you come to me?
That was the mistake. I never knew it would happen so fast. In fact, I never even knew they would suspect us. I never knew the whole finger would be pointing at us. Hey! I don't want to take that oath. I don't want to die. In fact, I am very stupid for hiding it from you.
Yes, you are very stupid. Ah! Look, you better clean that your tears. That this is not time to start crying. Clean it! And take us to where you found that man. Let's go and start for him. Get up, get up!
Hey! Hey, Fatima. That is where the problem is. So. I don't know where to look for that man, bro. He does not have any location.
Hey! Amaka. How are you, my friend? Where did we meet? This big head on your body there's no sense in it.
What no sense in here?
Amaka, common sense you don't have.
Amaka does not have sense. Amaka, what no sense?
How did I meet this girl? Amaka, do you know what is happening? If you met that man on the tree, take us there.
You know he's a dangerous man. He does not stay at the place. Move, let's go. Move. I'm dying. Let's go.
Power, no power, no sense. What am I doing with you in my team?
Hey! Nemo! Nem! Is this you? Hey! Chibe! Ne! Nem! Hey! Urenna! 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 Hey! Nena! Hey! Gods of our land! You did not allow my enemies to rejoice over me. You did not allow my enemies to rejoice over me. Hey, thank you. Thank you, gods of our land. Nemo. No.
Please, I am looking for Oguma. Is he around?
Not around.
Hey, please, where did he go to?
He went to his great-grandmother's place 2 days ago.
His grandmother's place. Where is the place? Please tell me. I am his friend. There's no problem. There is no problem. Just tell me where he is. That's all.
The place is Uboduku.
What is the name of his grandmother in Oboduku?
I don't know.
You don't know? Hey. Oboduku, but you don't know the name. No problem. Let's go.
Excuse me. What is your name? What is your name?
My name?
Yes.
My name is Amaka Onoba. Just tell him like that in case. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. This matter just seems to get more complicated by the minute. Do you know that Oboduku is not just a very distant land? It's a very large community. How do we begin to find this Ogume without knowing his exact location? What do we do? Those of our land. Please. Please save me from this stress. Please save me from this mess I got myself into. I beg you. I beg you, save me because I'm helpless.
It's okay. The thing is, Obodoku is a very far place. We cannot go there by this time. It's already getting late. Let us all go home. First thing tomorrow morning, we'll set out and go in search of this man. And the goats on our side will be able to find them.
Mama, I regret ever setting myself into this. I regret ever doing this. And I swore to deal with her.
I did not just intentionally do this. She looked for my trouble. I did not do it intentionally.
It's okay. Every problem has a solution. We'll find the solution to this one, yeah? Stop crying.
What if we don't find him tomorrow or next? What will happen?
Nah, Amaka, stop this thing you're doing. It's getting me angry. Stop it. After all, did you kill the girl?
I did not kill her.
We will find her.
I did not tell them to kill her.
It's okay. We will find her. And even if we don't find her, we'll go and report ourselves to the elders. And we will face the punishment. Yes, now we are in it.
See, all of us that will take the punishment.
I want to meet together.
Hey, thank you. That is why I call you my good friend. Thank you. Thank you. I'll not forget you.
Please help me. Please help me. Don't hurt me, please. Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me, please. Who are you? Please help me. Help me. My legs are paining me. I'm in pain. Please help me. My name is Yoruba. Please. I was kidnapped and tied to this tree. Please help me. I don't know. Please help me. Untie me, please. I'm human. I'm human. Flesh and blood. Please help me. How do you get here?
I was able to stand and walk on again. When I got well, I decided to come home because of you and because of the circumstances surrounding my disappointment.
God of our life, I thank you for protecting and bringing back my woman alive. Thank you. Uri, I want to ask, who do you think will be responsible for this?
Honestly, I don't know.
My daughters, yeah, the goats of this land has destroyed the ghost of shame my enemies left. Father Yaja. You don't understand, you will understand now. Ure Nwam. Ure Nia. Ure Papia. Ure Seke. Ure Nebuku. Ewu. Ure na my daughter is back.
She went to Bika's house.
For the mic.
My daughter is back, my children. I'm rejoicing. Thank you, my dear. She's back.
I know that many people are suspecting your sister, but I don't want to think. The most important thing is that I think that that's I want to thank you girls for all your efforts, especially taking very good care of my mother. They are indeed my best friends, and may the gods of our land bless you. We are more grateful than the king and son. We thank the gods for protecting you back to us. Shames to her. She's shame. I'm happy we have you back. Thank you.
Ogini.
It's not as if I'm very sorry. It's not as if I don't want you to marry. I don't have anything really. It's not that. It's just because of what Chima told me about you.
What did Chima tell you about Ori? Who is Chima?
Chima is the man that came to ask my hand in marriage. Chima told me.
Chima, why are you following me up? Chima, I will not marry you. I have told you before. Why is it so hard for you to understand?
I must marry you. You are my choice, and I made the choice.
There are so many other beautiful girls in this village. Go and pick a wife from them and leave me alone.
Alright, you have so many beautiful girls. Beautiful ones. So let me tell you, it's even your friend who really but my friend told me in confidence that your friend who has removed 4 pregnancies. Let me explain. If she is meant to have 4 pregnancies, now what do you think will happen if she gets married? That's why I have chosen you because I know you're responsible.
Do you know the level of these lies that you are telling about my friend?
And what makes you angry?
Chima!
Eh?
Chima!
See, let me tell you, I am ready to swear before the oracle. This is an information I got from a level source.
You know what? Me, I'm going somewhere now, so you go. We'll talk about this some other time. I will see you under the mango tree. Yes. No.
No! My love, that's not true. I'm still a virgin. I don't believe her, please.
Obioma, if you don't bring Chima before me to repeat what you just told me, then every bone that holds us as siblings will be broken. This is the height of it all. Go and bring Chima. Come here right now.
Okay, I will try and bring him.
Alright. Listen, you there?
Chima. Chima.
Ah, Daddy.
Chima.
Oh, wow. Welcome, pretty one. I am honored to behold you in my abode. Do come in. Oh, I'm gone.
You know you have passed my test. I just wanted to be sure that you're the right man for me. And you passed the test. And I am happy that you have passed this test.
Wow.
I just came to tell you that you are the one that I want to marry.
I said it. May the gods of our land be praised.
My brother said I should call you so you can come now, so that both of you can discuss the marriage plans. I don't want to wait.
I should come now. In that case, I'll be waiting for you. Hurry, 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 hurry. Oh, wow. Oh, come with children. Now. Now. She said, you want to see her? Chima, now.
I'm not here to joke with you. What you told my sister about Urina, was it true?
Start talking, you're wasting our time.
Was it true? What you told my sister about Urina?
Answer the question. Am I lying?
So this is your plan? Ubika, who can solve this issue? You know, the issue is that I sell it.
Hey.
I sell it. In all eyes.
I just feel like strangling you. I just feel like killing you. Allow me to deal with this thing.
You don't need to do that. Chima, why did you do that?
It wasn't intentional. I was not joking with you, sister. I wanted to marry her. So she was even stubborn. So I was trying to lay my hands on anything that will use to buy winning her heart.
The gods of this land will punish you. What is it?
Take it easy. What do you mean? So let me tell you, you don't even have the right to walk away.
Said, Onyeku, eh? Why wouldn't I work out on you? I have told you that I'm not interested in you or whatever you have to say. Man, you will not hear. You'll take your this all nike. Or Guinea.
Urenna, I don't want to believe that you are turning my proposal down because of that anger. Obika.
Hey.
Is that?
Hey. Yeah, no name.
Hey.
So you know about the love I have for Obika. And you are here talking rubbish. Because I'm not interested in you. Rapumaka, please.
Wait, everything you've just said here proved to me that you don't even reason at all. See, so you don't even have plans for yourself and your poor mother. You are busy throwing Obika, Anyari Obika, throwing him up and down because of the stupid love song and love story people are telling each other under the rain. Let me ask you, will you eat love? Will you eat love? Look, just look at you. That boy, Obika is a boy. He's not just a boy, he is poor and cannot take care of you. Look at yourself. You look like a queen. You look like a god. In fact, you are supposed to be the princess or even the queen of this community. Let me tell you something. You need people like me. To take care of you. Not to anyari one bunch.
What is your problem? Listen, you are nothing but a mannerless, shameless fool. That's what you are. What do you have? What gave you the audacity, the right to talk about my man like that? Eh? Let me tell you, in case you don't know, you can never have me. You are the one that is a boy. You are the boy. You can never have me. Go and look for small village girls like you and marry. I am not for you. The mirror of beauty, you remember the mirror of beauty is not on your level. Inano, shameless fool.
I will accept everything you said, but that particular name, fool, is it for me?
Yes! It is fool, big one. You're a big fool. You are a fool because if you're not a fool, you will not open your mouth to be talking rubbish about my man. That means that you are mentally imbalanced.
Are you aware that you are talking to the only man in this community that has killed a 47-year-old mother?
If you like, kill 101 years old mother. I don't want to know. I am not for you. And I don't even have time to stand here and start exchanging words with you. Just watch me while I walk.
Hey! What on a squad I feel? Hey! The only man that has killed a 47-year-old mother in this community, you can't even respect that office.
Chino, do you know the level of pain you've caused this family? Do you? Now let me warn you. The next time you say such lies against my woman or my sister, Obioma, I swear to the gods of this land, I'll kill you and nothing will happen. I'll kill you and nobody will ask after you. Say my boy! Now get out.
I am kneeling. Urenna, Obika, please, I am sorry. I want you both to forgive me. We were joining Obioma in the fight, thinking that we want to protect you from marrying Urenna. We never knew that she is innocent. Because I want to say the truth. I was the one that masterminded the kidnap of Urenna.
Only how?
I did it. No, Obioma Ada never knew about it. It was only me that did it.
You did what?
Kidnap.
You kidnapped my woman! You kidnapped my woman! You kidnapped...